and the offer is not considered, or the acceptance is not considered, or when the offer took place and acceptance took place without considering, it cannot be construed as a valid contract. Let's move a bit forward. What is an offer? An offer is an expression of willingness to contract, made with intention that it shall become a binding on the offer or on the offeror as soon as the offeree accepts it. So offer is given when or as soon as the offeror accepts it. So when I give you my pen and you take the pen to write it, and I give you the price of the pen, and you receive it or you accept it, and you pay part payment or you pay full payment, it is considered as a contract. This is what an offer seeks to explain. Genuinely, offer is different from an invitation to treat. An invitation to treat is not an offer. So most of the times you go to shops, ShopRite, supermarkets, and other places that you can buy, you see product with a price tag. Once you go and you take the product to the teller or the person who is receiving the money and you ask the price, that does not mean you are buying it. You can reject it at any point in time. Invitation to treat can be done or can be given, can be offered to the entire world. Once you receive it, or once you make a move, a steps to go for it and make any necessary steps to take it, then that becomes an offer, or that can also be amount to an acceptance. Now, where a party is merely inviting offers which he is then free to accept or reject it, where a party is giving or offering anything, you can decide to take it or reject it. That is an invitation to treat. Let's look at examples of an invitation to treat. Some examples of an invitation to treat is auctions. When a government is ushering a car and you go there to bid or make your bid, you can decide not to buy it or buy it. Once you decide not to buy it, the auctioneer cannot force you to buy it because it is an invitation to treat. But once you make an offer that you are going to buy it and you pay something, you consider something, that becomes a contract. Display of goods. In shops, I've already said, when you go to ShopRite and you see product and its price tag, that does not mean it is an offer, it is an invitation to treat. Now let's look at advertisement. Can also be considered as an invitation to treat. Advertisement of goods for sales are normally interpreted as invitation to treat. So when someone gives an advert and a condition attached to it, that is an invitation to treat. A mere statement of price cannot also be considered as an offer or a contract, but that also is said to be an invitation to treat. Those who normally apply for government contracts, when you tender your business proposal or your contract proposal, it is an invitation to treat. Now, today, we have learned what is a contract. Parties that can enter into a contract, the requisite of a contract, what constitutes an offer, and what is known as invitation to treat. In my next episode, I will discuss with you what is acceptance, counter offers, and the conditional acceptance. If you're enjoying my teachings, follow me on TikTok at quality.family.page, or my YouTube account at Quality Trade. You can go there, ask any question that you want, or make comment, share, like it, and follow me. Thank you.